Hey, wake up. Hey, big guys, open your eyes. What do you say? It's a brand new day. Yawn. Stretch. Touch your toes. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Wiggle your nose. Shout out loud. Good morning, sun. Happy morning, everyone. Hey, little guys, open your eyes. What do you say? It's a brand new day. Yawn. Stretch. Touch your feet. Breakfast time. Come on, let's eat. Orange juice and cereal too. Butter, toast and broccoli stew. Ew. Hurry, hurry, go get dressed. Put on the clothes that you like best. Hey, hey, what do you say? Are you ready? Let's go play. You are too small for basketball unless you play with someone tall. You are too big to use the swings. You should go do big guys things. Try out the jump rope. Slide down the slide. Are you tired? Come inside. Morning snack is here for you. Milk and cookies and broccoli stew. Ew, for the bunny, not for you. Oh, phew.